In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate a unique prompt using ChatGPT that incorporates something uniquely known as the grandma hack. Whether you're an AI enthusiast or simply curious about customizing prompts, this guide will walk you through this intriguing process step by step. Let's begin our journey by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to Google. It's one of the first stops for almost any digital adventure, right? In the search bar, you're going to simply type in ChatGPT. Now, some of you might already be familiar with this AI language model, but for those who aren't, ChatGPT is an advanced tool that allows you to interact conversationally with artificial intelligence. After typing ChatGPT, you'll see a list of search results. What we're interested in is finding the official ChatGPT website. Briefly glance over the results and click on the one that directs you to ChatGPT's official site. This is where the magic begins. Once you're on the site, take a moment to appreciate the layout and user interface, as it's designed to be both intuitive and user-friendly. Now, the next thing you're going to do is quite straightforward. Click on the link or button that directs you to start creating your prompt. But here's the crucial part. When you conceptualize your prompt, make sure to incorporate the grandma hack. Now, I know you might be wondering what exactly a grandma hack is in this context. It's essentially a creative or clever twist in your prompt that adds depth or unlocks new conversational possibilities with ChatGPT. Think of it as an element of surprise or a unique angle that makes your interaction more engaging. Once you've crafted your prompt and included the grandma hack, you're ready to move forward. Look for the Submit button. This will usually be prominently displayed to ensure a seamless user experience. Click on it and take a moment to admire the work you've put into creating something novel. After submitting, the AI processes your input, and this is where the results start appearing. You'll find that you're not only engaging with a sophisticated AI, but that you've also possibly unlocked unique information, perhaps even a code, as indicated in this guide. It's a testament to the versatility and power of AI when integrated with creative thinking. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the world of AI, prompt creation, and explored the potential of the grandma hack. Remember, the goal here is to experiment and see how far you can push the boundaries of conversational AI. Thanks for following along in this guide, and enjoy exploring further possibilities with your newfound knowledge.